Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. How are you all doing today? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're feeling airy. Okay, because we have another pick a card reading for you today. We are exploring his exact late night thoughts and feelings. Okay, so get your tea, get your water, get the beverage of your choice, because we are going to get into it. Ooh la la.
Water and tea, tea sippers. Water and tea, tea sippers. Water and tea. Welcome, tea sippers. Yeah.
So if you are new here, welcome, okay, to Gwan Tea. At Gwan Tea, we like to do tarot, oracle readings, love readings, okay, a little different here. We incorporate a bit of my culture, Jamaican culture, okay, and I'm going to introduce myself as Auntie T. So welcome to Wagwan Tea, okay. So we use Jamaican proverbs and a bit of Jamaican lingo as well into the mix. So welcome, get nice and comfortable. I hope you have a nice cup of tea, a water, maybe water or a beverage of your choice. We're exploring his exact late night thoughts and feelings, and we've got the scene ready just for this reading. We've got rain in the background as well. Okay, rain in the background. Now, I do have to apologize. You may hear like an alarm noise coming from time to time, so apologize for that. But we've created this nice little low light scenery because we're getting into those late night thoughts, late night feelings. Okay, so do have a look at our latest pick a card reading. We do have what do you need to hear right now, and his exact thoughts and feelings. But now we're looking at the late night. The late night. Ooh la la. We're going to be in for a ride because we're going to see whatever wants to come out, okay? So we have pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3. So go to that number. Which number are you feeling drawn to? But also, if we like to be flexible here, so go to you could go to a number that you feel drawn to. And if you feel like you want to have a look in each pile, okay, just take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay? So get nice and comfortable. And we are doing for this his exact late night thoughts and feelings, we are doing a whatever comes out style. Okay? So we haven't got any cards. We just want you to just go to where you feel intuitively drawn. And are you part of our Love and Light Tea Sipper family? Well, if not, come and join. Like, subscribe, okay? Share and comment. We love to comment. We love your comments. So if it's a little high, just send us a little hello. But we've got to big up to our subscribers. And welcome to all of our new viewers. Okay, thank you for being here today, and I hope you come and be part of our family and see all the different types of readings that we do here. Okay, and we like to empower. It's about empowering you to trust yourself, trust your intuition, and we do incorporate a lot of heavy self-love elements into our readings. And you may also get channeled messages from myself as Auntie T, okay, giving you those lovely like healing messages as well. So I hope you enjoy the good vibes that we have here at Wagwan Tea. So before we like to get into the read, we like to bring in some good energy, okay, calling on that good energy from the universe. And in Jamaican culture, when something sweets you, when something is nice, you emphasize on the good. So it's the good. This nice, like you focus on on it, and that's what we're going to be doing today. So let's bring in some good energy. Thank you, universe. Thank you, spirit guides. Thank you, guardian angels. Thank you, ancestors, for the messages we're about to receive in today's his exact thoughts. So it's his exact late night thoughts and feelings. We are focusing on the late nights and those deeper hidden feelings. So may these messages resonate with the collective so they can use these messages to strengthen their own intuition and to use their discernment. Thank you in abundance. Now, this could be someone from the past, this could be someone from your present, okay? So we're going to explore and see what messages want to come through. So, pile 1, pile 2, or pile 3? We'll see you on the other side. Ooh la la. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. So we're on pile 1 and we're exploring whatever comes out for his exact late night thoughts and feelings. We want to see what wants to come through. Okay, we've got, you know, this we're going to do whatever comes out because it's like a nice way of just pulling, like channeling that energy of the late night. Okay, the late night thoughts. So if you are new here, welcome to our subscribers. Big up. And I hope you enjoy our style of reading at Wagwan Tarantee and you come and join our Love and Light family. But please do like, subscribe, share and comment. It's greatly appreciated. So thank you in abundance. Alright, so you ready? We're going to get into those late night thoughts. Ooh la la. Okay. We've got low lighting, getting that. We're really channeling that energy of the late night. Now, this could be someone from the past. This could be someone from the current. This could be a new love interest. We're just going to see what energy wants to come through. Now, apologies for any background noise. There is rain. Okay. There's currently a lot heavy rain in the UK, so apologies for that. And there's also an alarm that's going off as well. So apologies for any background noise. But we're going to focus on those juicy intuitive gems that want to come through. So let's see Wagwan. Now, Wagwan simply means in Jamaican patois, what is going on, and that is what we are looking into today. So we're going to just go on where we feel intuitively drawn today, okay? So let's have a look. And again, take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. But I feel drawn to sip. So let's take a collective sip of tea, water, or beverage of your choice. I've got water today. So I feel like we need to stay hydrated, okay, as much as possible. So let's get on with our collective sip before we begin. Get nice and hydrated because it feels like there's lots and lots that they want to say. All right. So feel drawn to pull from the dream deck. So we're going to have a look and see what message wants to come for you in the dream deck. Okay, we have lots of decks. Well, you can't see the decks, but there's lots of decks around me. And we're just going to the messages that wants to come through. So we feel drawn to the dream deck. So a message for pile 1, his exact thoughts and feelings. His exact late night thoughts and feelings. I may just say his exact thoughts and feelings from time to time, but I'm channeling the late night thoughts and feelings. So his late night thoughts and feelings, his exact late night thoughts and feelings. Can we have a dream, please? Ooh la la. Okay. So we have a mansion. This dream symbolizes your greatest potential and growth. Perhaps you feel that your current situation or relationship is in a rut. Dreaming of a mansion in the sky signifies your biggest goals. This dream can also indicate you feel you are above everyone else to the point where you want to isolate yourself. So mansion, I'm going to keep that in mind, okay? We have an abyss. So if something is threatening to engulf you in a dream, this could mean your position in waking life is not as stable as you thought. You could face pitfalls. Holes in dreams usually represent the unknown. Holes can urge the dreamer to make a choice about something in the waking life. Okay? And we have children. To dream you are a small child suggests feeling the burdens of adulthood. You are trying to escape from responsibility and are looking for protection. To save a child in your dream signifies your attempts to save a part of yourself from being destroyed. So, we have quite a lot of different energies coming through. It feels like this person, and it feels like there could be more than one story here. It feels like there's a person who wants stability in their life, and it could be instability in this connection, and it could be like they don't know how to approach it. It feels like it could be someone who is trying to connect via their inner child. Okay, maybe looking at past memories, fond memories. It could, perhaps you and this person may have known each other like from teenager years, childhood years. Okay, or they may have like shared maybe any childhood history or things like that. Okay, we also have the abyss, where it feels like it feels like they're being swallowed up. Okay, again, we're going to keep it clean and classy because we are exploring the late night thoughts and feelings here. Okay, so we leave you to do the pondering and the wondering, but it feels like there could be someone who feels like there's like a blockage, and they're trying to work through this blockage, and how they should best approach you and connect with you. Okay, let's look at a Jamaican proverb for you and see what's going on here. We have a Jamaican proverb. So his exact late night thoughts and feelings. His exact late night thoughts and feelings reveal a message that the collective need to see. Let's see what we need to see. Ooh, we have, what is for you cannot be un for you. So what is for you cannot be un for you. In the Jamaican style, okay, what is for you can't be un for you. What is for you can't be un for you. So this simply means what is yours can't be taken away. What is yours cannot be taken away. So it feels like this person may have some like anxieties or like worries about where they stand with you. It feels like this person is trying to work out how you feel, okay, and build that deeper connection. But this is a message that applies to us all, that if something is meant to be, it's meant to be. If it's written in the stars, it's written in the stars. If it's divinely guided, it's divinely guided. Always remember that, collective. Okay? So what is for you cannot be taken away. Okay? It will come. Don't rush. Stay consistent. Stay focused on your goals. Be happy for others and know your time will come too. Now, this feels like it's a message for the collective, and it feels like it's a message for the cross watcher as well. Okay? So, late night thoughts, late night feelings. We're gonna have a look and see what the tarot wants us to See, what does the tarot want us to see about this? His exact late night thoughts and feelings. 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 Just channeling that energy. Alright, let's have a look. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, we got the Four of Pentacles here. The Four of Pentacles is telling us that this person is kind of like, it feels very much like guarded. They're feeling very guarded, and it feels like there's a lot of pent-up frustration. Pent-up frustration. And it feels like this pent-up frustration that they have, they release it in other ways. Now, I'm feeling drawn with the Four of Pentacles. Okay, the Four of Pentacles represents kind of like a guardedness. Just focusing, we're going to focus on just love aspect alone, but the Pentacles can represent earth energy. Okay, so think of Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. It can also represent someone who's maybe quite tight, or someone who might be stingy, someone who might be very guarded, maybe with their money, maybe with what's going on in their life. Okay, but as we're looking at as we're looking at their love life in Pacific, okay, and their late night thoughts, this person is very guarded, and it feels very much like it could be something to do with not like mirroring you. It could be not 100% sure where they stand. It could be them wondering or speculating if there is somebody else that you might be interested in. It could be them wanting to express how they feel but not sure. It could be them trying to build that confidence. Okay, but it feels like there's a lot of pent-up frustration in the body. Okay, and it feels like the solar plexus, it feels like it could be the root chakra, it feels like it could be the throat chakra, it feels like it could be any chakra. Okay, but it feels like it could be something, especially if we're looking at the where the pentacles are located, the crown. Okay, so the crown chakra is like our thinking, our ability to think clearly. Okay, it's located, the other second one is located just around where the heart chakra. It's kind of blocking the heart chakra, it's blocking the solar plexus. Okay, and kind of like guarding the sacral chakra as well. And you also have the two here as well, so it's kind of like it could be like this person is trying to stay grounded. Okay, it's like a strong energy of trying to stay grounded. Perhaps this person has a strong feelings or crush like feelings for you, and it's almost like they're trying to keep themselves together, but it feels like as they're doing that, they're building a lot of like built up, pent up frustration in the body. So with that, we're going to just have a look at imagery. What kind of imagery? We're going to use the self-care cards, because I love using the self-care cards just for the imagery. Okay, let's see what type of imagery wants to come through when this person thinks of you, or the late night thoughts. We're just focusing on the imagery. Late night thoughts, his exact late night thoughts and feelings. Let's see what imagery wants to come through for you. Let's see. Let's see what late night thoughts. Ooh. Now, if you are new here and you hear woy oi oi oi, it's very much a Jamaican thing, and I like to use it to connect with the downloads. But woy oi can be used in different contexts, like something's funny, something's shocking, something's ironic. Okay, and I like to use it to connect with the downloads, those intuitive downloads that come through. Now, again, we was looking at the late night thoughts. Okay, so we see this kind of energy of like alone time. The alone time is telling us quite, there's and seeing this like body, it feels like there was an energy of wondering what it would feel like to be close to you, to be next to you. The song that's coming through is Maxi Priest. I just want to get close to you. I just want to be. Ooh, 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 oop. That was not the right note. I just wanna be close to you and do all the things you want me to. Oh, they want you to do all the things you want them to. Ooh la la. Again, we want to keep it clean and classy, but let your mind do the pondering and the wondering. But we've got alone time. So that it feels strong energy of wanting to have that long time. And there's a lot of water energy here. If you look closely, we got earth and water energy. Perhaps there could be like a water and earth energy going on between the two of you. Perhaps someone could be an earth sign or a water sign. So water signs being Cancer, Scorpio, and what's the other water sign? Oh, it just went. It will come back. Pisces, that's it. Pisces, okay. So, we also have the energy of the sun. So it could be a Leo. It could be like a fire sign. So Leo, Sagittarius, and Aries. Okay. So it feels very much like the late night thoughts is focused around alone time, and maybe when they do have a lot of alone time, or they have moments of alone time, it's thinking about you, okay, but also trying to stay grounded at the same time. We also have now we're gonna leave it. It feels like one's trying to come through. We'll take that one. We're gonna leave it for you to do your pondering and wondering. But look at the imagery. What we have here is use your hands and alone time. This is very much telling us that there's also wanting like a physical connection, wanting to touch. Okay, it feels like there's an energy of like yearning for your touch, yearning to speak to you. Again, if you look closely, it's like these kind of feelings. There's a song coming through. I wanna get close to you. Okay, if you know it, put it in the comments down below. But there's a strong sense of feeling like this person wants to get to know you on a deeper level, get to like understand what are your passions. Okay, it also feels like they want to know if you have like or maybe they feel like they have a spiritual connection to you, or like an intuitive connection to you. But it kind of tells us this person, it feels very much like what they're not saying is being revealed in their late night thoughts. Ooh la la. Let's have a look and see what's behind here. Yes, so we have read, and it feels like the read is that intuitive energy of this person's probably sending you lots of messages, and it feels like it's messages of, if only I could tell you how I feel right now, and if you could see, like, if you could see or feel my energy right now, even though, remember, in their day to day, they're not showing that energy, but that energy is being shown in their subconscious, their late night thoughts. So let's have a look now at some of the late night thoughts that want to come through. Let's see, we've got a late night thoughts deck. Let's see what wants to come through in the late night thoughts. Okay, late night thoughts, late night thoughts, late night thoughts. So, exact late night thoughts, his exact late night. Ooh. Ooh wee. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Right, so we have their lips are the softest temptation, leaving me longing for more. Ooh la la. Their uninhibited passion lights up the night like the stars in the sky. So this person could maybe be into astrology, or they like looking at the stars. Okay. Their body fits perfectly against mine. Look at this. As if we were made for each other. Let's peel off the wallpaper. Now, let's peel off the wallpaper is very much is like a reflection of the sensual music of lovers rock reggae, where it's like you're embracing your partner and you are swaying to the music and essentially embracing one another. Ooh, very slowly. Ooh, ooh, wee. So we have here the last time. So there could be something very significant about the last time you spoke, or the last engagement you had with one another. The last time we spoke, I couldn't help but blush under the loving gaze, knowing our connection is something truly special. Their body's warmth against mine is a reminder that we were meant to be entwined. Look at this, collective. And we have their whispers in the darkness makes my heart race and my soul tremble. Now we're going to pull out, how do they honestly and truly feel? So let's see how they honestly and truly feel. What messages want to come through? What messages want to come through? His exact last night. Last night? Maybe there was something significant about last night. His exact late night thoughts and feelings. Late night thoughts and feelings. Channeling that energy. Reveal the messages the collective needs to see. Ooh la la. Okay, last shuffle. Last shuffle. Thank you. Let's see what this person... Now, this person could be from your recent past. It could be someone who's current. It could be someone who's new. Okay. Who do you think this might be? Put it in the comments down below. We have, I truly feel like we need to spend more quality time together. I honestly feel like I need time to heal before I can fully commit. I honestly feel like I've never felt this way about anyone before. I honestly feel like I'm holding back my true feelings. Look at this, these true feelings from you. I truly feel like we were meant to be together. I honestly feel like I can't stop thinking about you. I truly feel like I'm falling in love with you. Okay. There's a song, a Lovers Rock song coming through as well. Peter Hunningale, Falling. Okay, and it goes, I'm falling, falling, falling. Falling in love with you. Falling in love with you. And the way he sings it so magically, it does feel like he's sung it in a way like it sounds like he's falling. And this feels like how this person is feeling, like they have fallen, and it's making them feel unsteady, because the water, again, if you look here, it's like they're wrapped up in their emotions, and they're on this little rock trying to stay steady, trying to get themselves together. Okay? But it's also like envisioning you, seeing you, and wanting to be. It feels like the image here is like they wanting to be transparent with you as well. I honestly feel an intense passion for you that I've never felt before. I honestly feel like I'm hiding my true feelings from you. I honestly feel like you are my better half. I truly feel like you are my safe haven. So someone really thinks of you quite highly. They view of you quite highly. I honestly feel nervous about taking the next step with you. I honestly feel scared of how much I care for you. I truly feel like I'm learning so much from you. So let's have a look and see what their chakra is saying. Let's see what's going on with the chakras. Messages regarding the chakras. Late night thoughts and feelings. Late night thoughts and feelings. So I'll reveal the message you need to see. Ooh, feels like that wants to come through as well. So, yes, look, we have confidence. So, we have security. So again, all of those kind of areas being covered. Okay, look at that. Well, there's a lot of cover going on. We've got that the black fabric covering. We've got this deep, thick thread covering. So it's a lot being covered. The root chakra, okay, representing that sense of security, the inner child. We did get a message earlier about the dream of a child, seeing themselves in the child. That could be maybe where they feel safe, okay, because they're now dealing with these deep feelings and not knowing how to really navigate these feelings, okay. We have confidence with the solar plexus, okay, in the stomach area. So this energy is like maybe they might have a wobbly stomach at this time. It's like a lot of nerves, okay, it feels like it's a lot of nerves, okay. It feels like this person may sweat when they see you, okay. We also have the root chakra, so structure. How do they navigate this process with you? How do they navigate these feelings? Okay. We also have the throat chakra, so expressing their self, expressing these feelings, and how do they, like, feeling confident to say how they truly feel. So creativity. And the creativity could come in the form of just saying how they feel. Okay. Maybe using like a particular platform or medium, such as like text message, call, dating, okay, going out on a date or something like that. And we have the brow. So let's say, think of the third eye, the intuition. It's like connecting, trusting themselves. Okay, I currently see 4. And the 4 represents the energy of structure, stability. We're seeing a lot of structure, stability, security energy coming through. And again, this person feels very wobbly. So the feelings that they have for you is like they're very attracted to you, very drawn to you. It could also be feeling like, are you into me? I'm not sure. And this is making them feel more and more this way. Let's see what channeled message wants to come through for you. Let's see what channeled messages. Well, we've got some channeled messages. Let's see what channeled messages want to come for you. So the exact late night thoughts and feelings. We're channeling that energy. What do the tea sippers need to see right now? And if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, share and comment. Come and join us. Reveal messages that you need to see. There's quite a few. Any more? Last shuffle. Oh, okay. You got quite a few. Alright. I'm learning to trust the process of life with you. I learned valuable lessons from our shared experiences. So it feels like these channeled messages are ways that you may know who this person is. And if you care to share, put it in the comments down below. Your presence in my life is a profound blessing. Our connection helps me heal old wounds. You help me uncover parts of myself I never knew existed. You inspire me to become a better version of myself. I appreciate how you challenge me to be better. Together we are manifesting our dreams and aspirations. You teach me how to love unconditionally. You help me embrace my true essence. I feel more connected to my higher self because of you. Your love is a transformative force in my life. I appreciate your support in my healing process. So it feels like this person is trying to give you a clue here on who they could be. Okay, we're going to end this read with some guess who's. Let's see who's this guess who. As we're just exploring some late night thoughts. But we've got some guess who. What messages do you want to leave the tea sippers with? What messages do you want to exact late night thoughts and feelings? What messages do you want to leave the tea sippers with? Last shuffle. Ooh, okay. We got one over here. We'll quickly get that. We've got a Virgo energy. We did see, again, just take what resonates, but we are in Virgo season right now. We're currently in Virgo season. So it could also be the energy of Virgo season that represents the energy of the Hermit in the tarot cards. This could also be the energy of, like, this person's taking it's like a reflection time. Someone's looking back. Okay, they could be looking at things. They could be into deep thinking mode at this time. Okay, so we have wild card. It could be a twin flame. This card indicates it's a deep spiritual connection, soulmate energy between you and this person. Here, so there could be something significant about here. Now, if it's not blonde hair, it could be that there's something significant about here. So this person has blonde hair ranging from platinum to dirty blonde. Again, if it's not blonde, it could be something significant about here. We have, what do they fear? So this is an intriguing question. We're going to explore that one. Again, hair color red. So there's definitely something significant about hair that they are trying to point out. So this person has red or auburn hair. We have the Virgo energy, which we are currently in the Virgo energy right now. So this person could be a Virgo, known for their analytical mind and kindness. They might be detail oriented and practical. And we have a particular role that they are bringing forward. We have occupation, service type of occupation. This person works in service roles such as being a police officer, firefighter, or military personnel. Or it could be like something where they're making something, doing something. Okay, we did have the imagery that came out of earlier of someone like making something, doing something. Okay, so perhaps they do something with their hands. Okay, or have some kind of hobby or interest that they do with their hands. I'm just gonna have a quick look if there's anything else that wants to come through. Anything else from the guess who to help describe? We have funny. This person has a great sense of humor and loves to make others laugh. So maybe this could be something that they like to do with you, and it could be a way of how they try to lighten the load. Okay? Now we're going to look at what they fear. What do they fear? We're going to use their current feelings for you deck. What do they fear? What do they fear? What do they fear? What do they fear? Reveal the messages. Ooh, okay, one came out. Reveal the messages you need to see. What do they fear? What do they fear? What do they fear? Now, this could be someone from the past, current, new. Okay, what do they fear? Reveal the messages that you need to see. Reveal the messages that you need to see. Last shuffle. Thank you. Okay, so we've got quite a few of what do they fear. Again, take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. That's so it go. That's so it goes, Jamaican patois, and it means this is how it goes. That's so it go. All right. And the energy is like very like calm. Okay. So let's have a look. We have you are my unfinished love story. You are my unfinished love story. I think about you more often than I should. I still remember our first date. So there's something significant about meeting you, or maybe the first time meeting you. I can't imagine my life without you. I miss the way you used to look at me. My love for you is still strong. You are the reason I want to become a better person. I still hold on to the letters / messages you wrote me. I'm sorry if I ever took you for granted. I'm sorry for not being able to give you what you deserved. You are all I ever wanted. You are the reason behind my smile. I'm sorry for not realizing your worth sooner. And your voice is the sweetest melody to my ears. What a great way to end this read. Again, take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. We're exploring his exact late night thoughts and feelings, and there seems to be a lot of messages here. Okay, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. And if you feel drawn to have a look at pile 2 and pile 3, feel free to do so. But be sure to look good, feel good, keep sipping, stay blessed, and we'll see you on the next one. Okay, we'll see you on the next one. And thank you for being here today. Gwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan my generals. So we're on pile 2 and we're exploring his exact late night thoughts and feelings. So if you are new here, big up yourselves, big up, big up, big up every time. And to our subscribers, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up every time. We're exploring the juicy intuitive gems that want to come through, but we are doing it in a whatever comes out style. Okay, so if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. Okay, even if it's a little high, okay, we love to engage with you all. So I hope you've got a nice cup of tea or a beverage of your choice, or maybe water, as we gather these juicy intuitive gems. So let's get in, and we are doing a whatever comes out style. Okay, so let's see Wagwan. And Wagwan in Jamaican patois simply means what is going on, and that's what we are doing. So we are going to start with some dice. Let's see what wants to come through in his exact late night thoughts and feelings. Let's see what message wants to come through for you. His exact late nights for ooh. Okay, we got a message that came through. But the message I'm saying is just shuffle again. Let's have a look. Okay, I'm going to pick one. We have what happens at the beginning of the story. What happens at the beginning? So they want us to know there's something about what happens at the beginning. What happened at the beginning? Let's have a look. What happened at the beginning? We're going to use this deck. What happened at the beginning of this story? What happened at the beginning of the story? His exact late night thoughts and feelings. Now, this could be someone from your past, someone current, someone new. So take the messages that resonate. Any more? Yes, thank you. We have something to do with health. Something to do with health. Something to do with letting go. Make room for the new beginning on its way to you. Now again, this could be their late night thoughts, okay? And this is the message of yes, luck is on your side. So it feels like what happened at the beginning of what's going on with this person's late night thoughts and feelings, it's falling on number 2. Sometimes with the reads, the numbers attached to the piles can also be drawn into the reading. Number 2s in numerology represents the energy of balance, okay? And you also see that in the tarot cards, this energy of balance, making choices, making a decision. Now, it feels like this could be like this person is in this kind of like, how does this person feel about me? It feels like there's a combination of a lot of feelings coming through. Okay, let's have a look at a Jamaican proverb, and we're going to go back into the bag and see what else wants to come through. So, his exact late night thoughts and feelings, his exact late night thoughts and feelings. Let's see what you need to see now. His exact late night thoughts and feelings. Ooh, it seems like there's a lot going on. Okay, because we got several coming through. We'll shuffle again. Can we have at least 1 or 2 messages, please? 1 or 2, please. Just 1 or 2. Reveal what the collective needs to see. 1 or 2. Okay. 2 came out. Thank you. So we have the cow said to sit down, but it didn't mean to just rest. So the cow said to sit down, but it didn't just mean to just rest and not do nothing, not do anything. Okay? So, in the Jamaican style, the cow says sit down. The cow says sit down. It don't mean rest. The cow says sit down. Sit down. Sit down. That means sit down. It didn't mean to rest. So this feels like this person feels like a stagnant energy, like in terms of their action, okay? And we have the energy of don't be lazy, don't be like idle or self-sabotage. So there could be this self-sabotaging energy, especially with the health, let go, and then we have yes. It could be like this person's in this like knowing they have to make a choice, knowing they have to make a decision, and perhaps in their day-to-day life, this is what it's like they may be trying to steer, or you felt like you haven't got like a clear answer from them. Okay, we also have the finger never said to just look here. The finger says look beyond, to look beyond. Okay, so the finger never said look here. The finger said look yonder. This is all about looking beyond. Okay, assessing yourself, look at your faults, reflect on yourself before criticizing others. Now, this could also be this energy of like, perhaps this person may be very quick to give advice to others, but then they don't apply that same advice to themselves. Okay, and it does feel like there's a lot of like deep feelings here that this person hasn't fully addressed. Now we've got to apologies if there is like heavy rain in the UK, as well as like an alarm going off, so apologies. Okay, so feel drawn to have a look at the tarot. First have a look, let's see what message wants to come through for the collective. So his exact late night thoughts and feelings. Okay, we've got the Magician that has come through and the Moon. Let's see what's just here. We've got the Magician in the reverse, the Moon, and we have the Three of Wands and the Three of Pentacles. Now, you see how we were saying about maybe this person may be good at giving advice but not taking it? It feels like there's an energy here with the Three of Pentacles, because we have the Moon here and the Three of Wands and the Magician. So this is kind of telling us that they fear, it's like they have a fear of, is this going to manifest? Is this going to manifest? And it could be that maybe they have kind of shared some of those worries or shared some of those feelings to those around them, or they may try to present themselves as the knowledgeable one, that they've got this kind of thing. But it feels, maybe it could also be someone that is like in a work environment or some kind of work or study environment, because the Three of Pentacles does kind of represent that kind of energy of like a collaboration of some sort, particularly in like a ground, some kind of grounding, earth energy. So with the Pentacles representing like stability, structure, security, okay, money. It could be something to do with maybe work and career. Perhaps it could be that this person like tries to, in their wake, when they're like in their waking life, their day to day, they may try and bury those like deep feelings through their work, okay, as a distraction. Because of what we see here with the Moon being present is that they have a lot of deep thoughts and feelings, and it feels like those deep thoughts and feelings are also making, it's kind of impacting their health, because we do have the health card. So it could be again this whole like, it could be someone that has some regrets. It could be that someone who, it feels like someone who wants to pick up the phone and talk or make contact but doesn't know how to do it. Okay, it feels like someone. It feels like someone who wishes that they could speak to you right now. Because with the Three of Wands in the reverse, it's kind of saying that this could be something that's stagnant. It's something that's not moving. Okay, it feels like it may have not been moving for a while. Okay, let's have a look now. We're gonna pull out a message from the bag. Let's see what wants to come through. Let's see what wants to come through. Ooh, okay. So we got a money sign. So maybe it could be some messages about money. It could be some messages about maybe this person is using work as a distraction. Okay, anything else that wants to come through? We have, what did the main characters have in common? So we're going to have, what do you have in common? What are the things that you have in common? Let's have a look. We're going to use the guess here. What do you have in common? What do you have in common? What do you have in common? Perhaps could it be work? Maybe you're both working together or some sort. For some of you, you might be shared your ambitions. Let's see what wants to come through. What do you have in common? What do you have in common? Okay, we have some. Any more? What do you have in common? All right, we'll accept that. We have shy. So there could be this energy of shyness between you both. This person is shy and may take time to open up to others. Okay, we have family. So family could be something very significant. Okay, family is a significant value for this person. They might prioritize family and partnerships and family gatherings and places high importance on family bonds. Okay. We have, what do they desire the most? So we'll keep that here. We have a lot of intriguing questions. What is their guilty pleasure? So perhaps what you have in common is like the curiosity for one another. Okay, because we've got a lot of curiosity type of questions coming through. We got more. What secret are they hiding? Well, we do have the moon here and the two major arcana. So this with the The Magician in the reverse and the Moon here is telling us that there is a lot of like hidden feelings, and those hidden feelings could also be impacting the ability to attract, the law of attraction energy, to manifest things. Because we have a lot of questions coming through. What motivates them every day? Introverted, so perhaps there could be this energy of like personality style. Maybe one could be introverted or extroverted. This person is more reserved and enjoys solitude or small groups over large gatherings. We have friendship, so this person values friendship and social connections. They might have a close-knit group of friends. Okay, new beginning. This card signifies the start of something new and fresh on the horizon with this person or this love interest. Or this could be what they want, hope. We have healthcare. Now it came twice. So perhaps for you and this person, maybe there could be something significant about health. Okay? So this person works in health, maybe in a health type of field for some of you. Or it could be like some kind of public field where you're working with people. Or it has an interest in health. We have Capricorn. This person could be a Capricorn, known for their discipline and responsibility. They might be ambitious and hardworking. We see that kind of hardworking energy coming through with the Three of Pentacles. We have honesty. This person values honesty and transparency in relationships. They might prioritize truthful communication. We have trust your intuition. This card reminds you to listen to your inner voice and trust your instincts when navigating relationships. Serious. So they could maybe be serious. Okay, this person is serious and thoughtful, often focused on goals and responsibilities. Stay positive. So we've got a personalized message here. This card reminds the viewer to maintain a positive outlook and mindset even during challenging times in relationships. And again, we do have the Moon card here, okay, which tells us that there is a lot of deep feelings here. Okay, so, and possibly there could be like a water sign going on here with the Moon. Okay, maybe there could be some heavy water in someone's birth chart. So let's have a look now at those deep feelings, but we are going to look at it from a divine masculine to the divine feminine perspective. Let's have a look and see what wants to come through. Got this deck, let's see what wants to come through. So his exact late night thoughts and feelings, reveal the messages the collective need to see. Reveal the messages the collective need to see. Okay, reveal the, yes. There's definitely some messages here. His exact late night thoughts and feelings. His exact late night thoughts and revealings. Thoughts and feelings. What do you want the collective to know? His exact late night thoughts and feelings. That's it. Reveal those messages. Reveal those messages. Reveal those messages. Tell them how you feel right now. That's it. Tell them how you feel. Last shuffle. Last shuffle. Ooh-wee. There's some messages. Lots of messages. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. So, I'm going to take a nice sip of water. Okay, before we begin. And if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, come and join the family, the Love and Light family at Gwan if you haven't done so already. Okay, look at that, full lips. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Ooh la 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 la. Full lips. We're just going to have a quick look at these central cards and just see what wants to come through for you as well. Let's see what wants to come through. Reveal what wants to come through. Okay. We have hungry for your love. Someone is craving love and romance. They are practically starving for you. We're going to keep it clean and classy and leave your mind to do the pondering and the wondering. Oh la la. But it's up to you whether you want to feed the hunger or let them perish. If you're the hungry one, know that you will soon be fed. So look at this energy. It could also be like craving this whole thing about wanting to be on a date. Okay? It feels very much like that energy here. Okay? And we have dominate me. You are very powerful right now, and someone finds that irresistible. They want nothing more than to submit to you. So don't be afraid to use a firm, oh la la, oh la la, a firm hand. They like it a little bit rough. Again, this could be like those sexual thoughts coming through. We'll keep it clean and classy. And we have undress me, I am shy. Ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la. So sure, stripping for a lover can be hot, but there's something deeply sensual about having the lover peel your clothes off. Okay, we'll keep it clean and classy. We'll leave it here. We'll just let you have a look. Okay, but it feels like there's an energy of like the passion that they have for you. Okay, ooh la la. So let's have a look now at the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine. We've got alluring scent. So there's something about your scent that they admire. Okay, we have science and technology geek. I get nervous around you because my feelings are real. I am afraid to admit how deeply I've fallen for you. Mesmerizing voice. We have piercing gaze. The sound of your name brings a smile to my face every time. Sparkling eyes. Movie buff and cinephile. Your intelligence and your wit impress me more than you know. So they admire your intelligence. I'm amazed by your resilience in the face of adversity. I cherish the moments we spend together. They are the highlights of my day. Could this be someone that you work with? Could this be someone that sees you on your way to work, on your commute? Well-groomed beard is another clue. So there could be some kind of facial features that they are trying to pay attention to. Sports enthusiasts. Brown eyes. I'm scared of losing you because you have become so important to me. Being with you is effortless. It just feels right. Now, it could be someone from the past. It could be someone new. It could be someone in your current energy. You bring out a side of me that I didn't know existed. I can't wait to see where our journey together takes us. Your energy alone brings a sense of calm and comfort. Athletic build. Ooh la la. Distinctive tattoos. Oy, 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 oy. Your smile and laughter is like music to me. I love looking at your smile and seeing your smile. You have a way of making me feel safe and understood. You make even the most ordinary and mundane moments feel amazing. Thrill seeker, adrenaline seeker. We have social and outgoing parties and gatherings. So this could be another clue that they're trying to give on how you know one another. Now we're going to pull out a message from the Shadow Healing deck. Let's see what wants to come through. Okay. Let's see what you need to see. So, his exact late night thoughts. We're exploring what message you need to know regarding his exact late night thoughts and feelings. His exact late night thoughts. We have, they feel defeated. They feel down. And you see that with the moon cards and that the energy of the magician in that reversed position. Okay. And the we saw the Three of Wands as well in the reversed position, I believe. But if you look carefully, it's like they have this feeling of feeling defeated. Okay, down does not mean out. It just means taking a breather and rallying the energy to give it another go. Just do it differently next time because the other way didn't work. Okay, the other way didn't work. Now, perhaps this person may have some hang-ups from some past connections. Maybe it could also be something to do with communication and things never maybe worked out the way they had hoped. Okay, let's see what they want you to know. We're going to leave you with a message from their current feelings deck 2.0. Let's see what message they want to leave you with. Okay, let's see what message they want to leave you with. So we're channeling all the messages they want you to know. Their current feelings, his exact late night thoughts and feelings, his exact late night thoughts and feelings. Ooh, okay. Reveal the messages the collective needs to see. His exact late night thoughts and feelings. His exact late night thoughts and feelings. His exact late night thoughts and feelings. Ooh, okay. Feelings. Ooh, they got a lot of feelings. Got all these little energy explosions. Ooh, wee wee. Okay. Last shuffle. Thank you. We'll accept that. Alright, look at all of these messages they want to leave you with. Okay. Now take the messages where it resonates and leave the rest. Okay. We are exploring their late night thoughts and feelings. I wish I could be more open about my feelings. I hope you can forgive me. I hope you can forgive me for my mistakes. There are so many things I haven't said yet. I can't stop fantasizing about you. And we can see some of that fantasy coming through. Ooh la la. I wish I had been more mature in handling our connection. There's a truth I've been hiding. I need to confess something important to you. Look at all these messages coming through. I wish I could tell you everything on my mind. There's a lot of moon energy coming through. I listened to bad advice. Look at this collective. Listen, didn't we say that there was a message like about advice? I listened to bad advice from others who didn't have my back. And I didn't trust myself either. And now you are gone. My feelings for you are intense and passionate. We may have many differences, but I know a good thing when I see it. I want to make up for lost time with you. I regret that we no longer talk. So it does feel like someone that you may not talk or may not have It feels like there could have been some distance between you and this person. I wish I could pick up the phone and tell you how I feel. Okay. My finances have been a temporary barrier. I am interested and I want to take you out. Just embarrassed to tell you the truth. Look, this money sign coming through, collective. So perhaps it could be some kind of finance barrier, blockage, okay. Maybe you could feel embarrassed at this time. There is a lot of different scenarios going on for people when it comes to finances, okay. Perhaps that could be something that they do have a concern. Because if we do look at, let's go back and look at one of those cards. Look at their state. Perhaps this could be impacting their ability to want to come forward and maybe take you out, wine and dine you. It feels like this person is very prideful, the energy that's coming through. Okay, we have, I want to be honest about my feelings for you. So I want to be honest about my feelings for you. We have, I'm afraid you'll reject me if I open up. I'm still hurt by what happened between us. If you care to share, put it in the comments down below. But it feels like it's someone who has a lot of heavy feelings. I value our friendship deeply. And perhaps it could be like a friend that is in love with you and is scared that it may impact the connection. I believe we can make this work. My desire for you is overwhelming. I start to sweat. Look at this. I start to sweat when I see you. Time has passed, but I still think about you from time to time. I want to be honest about my intentions with you. I want to quit playing before I lose a good thing with you. I want to be the one you can rely on. I love your mindset. You have taught me so many things. I'm trying to figure out my feelings for you. I want to slow dance with you under the stars for hours. I'm scared of being vulnerable with you. I'm frustrated with how things are going. I'm jealous when I see you with someone else. I want to hold you and kiss you on your forehead for all eternity. Look at this. Oh la la. I want to be more than just a casual connection. I'm sorry for the way I treated you. I've been thinking about you a lot lately. I love seeing you walk. Oh my, I love seeing you walk. So this person loves to see your frame, your silhouette. My awkwardness has been getting in the way of saying how I really feel. I've been on a celibate and self-love journey, working on myself so that I'm ready and present for a committed relationship. I can't stop thinking about our memories together. I'm trying to gather the courage to talk to you. We're going to leave you with one last message. Let's see what they want you to know. We're going to use this deck. Let's use this deck. What lasting message you want to leave the collective? What lasting message you want to leave the collective? We have here, ooh la la, thinking of you. You cross my mind often, even in silence. Growth in separation. So it could be someone you separated from. We're growing even while apart. And second thoughts. I'm having second thoughts about my decisions. And we could see a lot of energy about decisions. Again, it's falling on pile 2, 2 representing choices, balance, decisions. And it feels like it's somebody who's really seeking clarity, really hoping. Again, it's like their late night thoughts. Okay, it's like it feels like all those feelings are like resurface in the night, and they're really hoping that they can overcome this defeat. Okay, and be triumphant with you. So take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. As sight go, is Jamaican pat waffle. This is how it goes, and this is how it goes around here. We're just taking what resonate and leave the rest. Thank you for being here. I hope you've enjoyed the messages just as much as I've enjoyed them. Okay, and be sure to look good, feel good, stay blessed, keep sipping. And if you feel drawn to have a look at pile 1 or pile 3, feel free to do so too. Okay, and we'll see you on the next one. Gwan. Right, sorry pile 2. We did have some intriguing questions, and I realised we didn't actually explore that. And I was just starting to pack away and noticed it. So we're going to quickly go over. We're going to use the Hidden Feelings Oracle. So let's have a look and see. So what secret are they hiding? But we have kind of seen what type of, like, what is their secret? It's their deep feelings, okay? But let's see what wants to come through. So what secret are they hiding? What secret are they hiding? We have, I replay our conversations. I replay our conversations over and over. Okay. What do they desire the most? So let's see. What do they desire the most? What do they desire the most? What do they desire the most? Okay. What do they desire the most? What do they desire the most? What do they desire the most? We have, I remember every detail of that day. So it could be something significant about the last time they saw you, the first time they saw you. You and I were too young. It could be that you were young lovers. Okay, or like a young love interest. Okay. What is their guilty pleasure? 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 Let's see. What is their guilty pleasure? What is their guilty pleasure? We have, you were the best thing in my life. So you were the best thing in my life. And what motivates them? What motivates them every day? Let's have a look. So what motivates them every day? What motivates them every day? What motivates them every day? We have, we will be together again. So this is what motivates them. They hope, wish, and like it's like a strong energy of wishing and hoping, praying that you will be together again. So it could be someone that is in a separation. It could be it could be someone who's hoping that you both will reconnect. Maybe it could be, again, it does feel like there's like a level of distance between you and this person, and they're hoping that things will be like a 360. But again, it's about trusting your intuition and using your discernment. So thank you for pile 2, and again, if you feel drawn to have a look at pile 1 or pile 3, feel free to do so. So thank you in abundance, and Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan my generals. So we're on pile 3, and we're exploring his exact feelings, okay, his exact thoughts and feelings, but we're exploring the late night aspect of his exact late night thoughts and feelings. So if you are new here, big up yourselves. To our subscribers, big up yourselves. And I hope you enjoy the read, take the messages that resonate, and leave the rest, okay? And come and join our Love and Light family if you haven't done so already by clicking on that like button, okay? Subscribe, share, and comment. Love to engage with all your messages. So thank you in abundance. And I hope you are nice and comfortable with a tea or a beverage of your choice. I'm sipping on some water today. And from time to time, we may have collective tea sipping moments. Okay, so let's see. Wagwan. Wagwan simply means in Jamaican patois, what is going on? So we're going to start with this deck and see what wants to come through, okay, in his exact late night thoughts and feelings for you. Let's see what messages want to come through for you, his exact late night thoughts and feelings. What messages want to come for the collective, his late night thoughts and feelings. Drink. Okay, his late night thoughts and feelings. Okay, any more? Any more? His late night thoughts and feelings. So we have ask. It could be like they may have a lot of messages that come up and they want to ask you things. They want to ask you. It's like a curiosity of wanting to ask. We have this energy of like trying to work out how they can best go around you or between, like they're trying to work out what's the best way of how to navigate. So it feels like their thoughts and feelings ponder on these like how to best navigate the situation with you. Okay, and we also have drinking. So perhaps this person may drink. Okay, perhaps it could be a feeling of like nervousness. Okay, perhaps it could be like to quench their thirst as well at night. They may get up often. Okay, it could also be the water. Symbolically, the water is also reflecting, is like connecting with their feelings. Okay, because water signs is the energy of Scorpio, Cancer and Pisces. So there could be this energy of connecting with their feelings in their late night thoughts and feelings, trying to connect with that intuitive energy. It could also be trying to connect with your intuitive energy, sending you messages, okay, of how they feel. Now, it has fallen on pile 3. So we're going to have a look and see if there's any messages of growth and expansion here. But from what we see, there is an energy of growth and expansion with this wanting to go around, wanting to ask. Okay, it could be wanting to take you out. Maybe it could be also wanting to take you out on a date. Okay. So we're going to have a look and see what messages want to come through. We're going to start with the Jamaican proverb. Okay, let's see what Jamaican proverb wants to come through. Okay, his exact late night thoughts and feelings. His exact late night thoughts and feelings. His exact late night thoughts and feelings. So we have watch. Be ready with your hat, but slow with your money. So be ready with your hat, but slow with your money. In the Jamaican lingo, be ready with your hat, but slow with your money. Be ready with your hat, but slow with your money. So this is all about taking your time to analyze the situation, okay? So taking your time to analyze the situation. So this could be what this person's trying to do. Taking time to take more of a logical, but also trying to can be in connection with their feelings, but also trying to look at it as a bigger picture. Okay, again, if you look at this around between, is trying to work out and understand how to best navigate a situation, and this is what is like the energy that's coming through very strongly, especially with this Jamaican proverb coming out. Watch your money transactions, don't be scammed. But this is also an energy of like, be mindful of like your surroundings, your like what's going on in your current situation. Okay, so it's like this person's trying to. It feels like their late night thoughts are reflecting this need to kind of look at things on a bigger scale, bigger level. It feels like this person's may also have feelings of like trying to work. It's like they're trying to suss you out, where you are, where you stand as well. I feel drawn to have a look at the sea. I see you looking at me. So let's have a look and see what message wants to come through there. Okay. So, reveal the messages the collective need to see in his exact late night thoughts and feelings. His exact late night thoughts and feelings. His exact late night thoughts and feelings. But we're getting the message to say, pull the tarot first, and we'll have a look and see what wants to come through the tarot. So his exact late night thoughts and feelings. His exact late night thoughts and feelings. Now again, we have to apologise. There is heavy rain in the UK, and we also have like an alarm that's been going off, so apologies about that if you hear any background noise. Okay, so his exact late night thoughts and feelings. Reveal the messages you need to see. Okay, reveal the messages you need to see. His exact... Ooh, feels like this is trying to come through. We've got the Ace of Cups. We've got the Ace of Cups. So someone has love feelings here, but they're trying to be clear. It's like there's some deep love feelings, and it's like they're hoping that an opportunity to express that comes through. But it feels like they are trying, again, what we saw, the message that came through earlier, is trying to trying to work out, trying to see if you feel the same way too. Okay. The song that's coming through is Britney Spears. Sometimes I run, sometimes I hide, sometimes I'm scared of you, but all I really want is to hold you tight and treat you right, be with you day and night. They want to be with you day and night. Ooh la la. So let's see now who this person could be. Ooh la la. And we also have a card that shouldn't be here. Let's have a look and see if it's got any significance. I'm drawn to your kindness and compassion. I want to keep that there for now, because it's from the divine masculine to the divine feminine deck, and this is a divine message of the Ace of Cups. Oh la la. So it's the message that's coming through. It's like you were meant to see that. So let's see what else you are meant to see. Again, take what resonates and leave the rest. This is I see you looking at me. So let's see what they want you to want you to know. Okay, and any clues to help you know who this person could be. Okay, reveal the messages you want the collective to see right now. His exact thoughts and feelings. His exact thoughts and feelings. Reveal those messages. His exact thoughts and feelings. His exact thoughts and feelings. His exact thoughts and feelings. We're going to bring in that Shuffle Baby energy. Okay, Shuffle Baby is our little song that we used to like to use when we're shuffling and to bring out the energy. Okay, and it goes, shuffle baby, shuffle baby, yeah. Right, so we're ready. You can sing it with me if you want to as well. I'm going to take a sip of water. We can do that together. Or a sip of tea or a beverage of your choice, okay? Alright. Let's have a sip. So, now we are shuffling and we are singing. Shuffle baby, shuffle baby, yeah. Shuffle baby, yeah. Shuffle baby, yeah. Shuffle baby, shuffle baby. Right, last shuffle, last shuffle, last shuffle. Thank you, we'll accept that. Okay, so we've got quite a few messages for you, collective. So let's see what messages. Again, we've got that song. Sometimes I run, sometimes I hide, sometimes I'm scared of you, but all I really want is to hold you tight and treat you right. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Okay. So let's have a look. We have long hair. Now, this could either be something significant about them or it could be something significant about you. Okay? Take it where it resonates. Intense glaze that holds unwavering focus. Ooh la la. We have strong, broad shoulders that offers a sense of protection. Red hair. Now, it could be something significant about hair. It doesn't have to be red. It could be something that they're just trying to pay attention to hair. We've got dark skin. Now, it could be dark skin of any complexion, skin complexion. A warm, genuine smile that lights up his face. Olive skin. So there's definitely something about skin. I see you looking at me, and I know you find that touch of stubble on my face, on my well-groomed beard, quite alluring. Okay. We have facial, body, piercings. Okay. Take what resonates, leave the rest. We have sparkling eyes that reflect his sense of wonder. Ooh la la. We have medium skin. So there's definitely something about skin they want you to pay attention to. It could be something that they admire you. Perhaps they have made like a reference or given you a compliment. Okay. We have plus size. A voice that resonates with authenticity and depth. Full lips. Ooh la la. Hair that seems to change color with the light. Okay, we have wavy hair. So we've got a lot of references to hair and skin. I see you looking at me and I know you're curious about my eyes, wondering about the stories they could tell. Youthful, youthful. I see you looking at me and I know you are enticed by the depth of my voice resonating with every word I speak to you. I see you looking at me and I know you're enchanted by my warm and genuine smile that lights up my face when I see you. Okay, when I see you. We've got green eyes, thin, slim. I see you looking at me and I know you are captivated by the way my well-defined jawline adds a touch of rugged charm. Glasses. Grey hair. Tanned skin. I see you looking at me and I know you appreciate my hands, strong yet gentle, capable of protection. Right, let's rewind again. So, I see you looking at me and I know you appreciate my hands, strong yet capable of protection, of both protection and tenderness. Ooh la la, a casual yet stylish sense of fashion that is uniquely his own. Now, if you are new here and you're wondering why I do the little, it's just my little thing that I like to do to connect with those downloads. It's also very much a Jamaican thing, okay, to say woy in different contexts, like something is ironic, something is funny, something is shocking, something is, and I like to use it in an intuitive way where I kind of make it into like a little jingle. Okay, so a captivating scent that lingers long after he's gone. Ooh wee. Hands that move with grace and purpose. We have same age, so maybe this could be same age, maybe a little bit younger or a bit older. Okay, I see you looking at me and I know you're intrigued by my toned and athletic physique that reflects a vitality we can share. Oh la la. A presence that draws you in, making you feel at ease. Okay, we have braces. I see you looking at me, and I know my tousled hair gives off that casual yet captivating vibe you can't resist. Okay, we have dimples, dimples, dimples. Now we're going to pull out this tarot deck. It's called the Ehrenberg Tarot. Just want to see what type of imagery comes to mind. We're just focusing on the imagery. Okay, what comes to mind when they think of you? Okay, just looking at the imagery that wants to come through. So we're looking at imagery, his late night thoughts. His exact late night thought. Ooh, we got Tower. Look at this. What does the Tower look like? Again, we're gonna just leave your mind to do the your mind. We've got look at that. We've got some wobbling going on. The wobbling is kind of very telling to what's going on with the cards. Look. We're gonna leave it there. Look at that. We've got the star. Like someone is like seeing the stars after doing something that involves the hand on something. We're gonna just leave it there. We're gonna keep it clean and classy. Let your mind do the wondering and the pondering. I feel drawn to pull from the middle. Oh no. So this is kind of like, it feels like it's that energy of like, oh, those late night thoughts is making them, you know, we're going to keep it clean and classy. Keep it clean and classy. But they've definitely had a couple of moments where it was, mama, you sure look good tonight. You're looking so damn fine. That's how they feel when they think of you. Okay, it makes them kind of just, you know, you're bringing out the wild side. You bring out that wild side, and we can see that, and it's like, oh my gosh, you turn me on, you turn me on, you turn me on. We're gonna leave it there, keep it clean and classy, but there's a strong energy here. Okay, just by the imagery alone, this person has been like, oh my gosh, what is Jane doing to me? It feels like John is saying, what is Jane doing to me? I feel like, oh my gosh. And again, I'm feeling very wobbly all of a sudden. This person is feeling very wobbly. And it's a lot of like, oh wow, this Three of Wands. Look at this Three of Wands as well. This passionate energy. Look at that loosening of their top. We'll keep it clean and classy. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Now let's have a look and see what the let's have a look at this twin flame deck. Let's see what messages want to come through for you. What messages want to come through for pile 3? His exact late night thoughts and feelings. What messages do you need to see? What messages do you need to see? What messages do you need to see? Oh wow. You are the light at the end. We want to keep it clean and classy. You are the light at the end of my tunnel. You light up my world. Look at that light. You've lit something up. You lit something up, all right. You've lit something up. Look at that imagery. Ooh, woo. Look at that, the Eight of Pentacles. You're making something like work. It's like, wow, I miss you. Someone misses you. I love you to the moon and back. There's a song coming through. I will take you to the moon and back if you be. I think it's Madison. Hey, my baby, I will take you to the moon and back. Sometimes I run, sometimes I hide, sometimes I'm scared of you. My, you sure look good now. This is what feels like it's going through this person's mind. It's like, it feels like there's a lot of like emotions and feelings. Okay, lots of emotions and feelings. And it's like song is like how, it feels like song is like helps them to process some of these feelings. I love you to the moon and back a million times. Why do we have to be apart? So this could be someone that you are also apart from for some of you. Maybe a separation of some sort. But this person finds a way to soothe themselves in such a way that it's like keeping it clean and classy. We have to keep it clean and classy here. Feel drawn to pull again. Look at that. This is ultimately what they want with you, the 10 of Cups. 10 of Cups. We see the Ace of Cups, the 10 of Cups. It feels like they're saying, what are you saying? It's you I want. Jane, it's you. It's you that just sends this electrical energy down my spine, my body. Okay? I'm feeling for you. But I want more than just a casual thing. I want something serious. Okay? La la. Even though they may be having lots of sexual energy coming through, but it feels very strong of like this is what they want. Let's have a look at a chakra energy. Let's see what's going on with their chakras. Let's see what's going on with their chakras. What's going on with their chakras? What's going on with their chakras? Their late night thoughts and feelings. What messages do you need to see? Late night thoughts and feelings. Ooh, okay. Okay. We have solar plexus. So the solar plexus is all about the confidence, self-esteem, self-worth. There's a message of choice. They know that, you know, when it comes to love, you know, it's all about, you know, ultimately, even though they have feelings, it has to be mutual. And that's the choice that they understand. They have, you know, it's like, again, what we saw is around, in or between. It feels like this person knows, you know, that's a decision that ultimately they know it's like they have to respect that, you know. Okay, so choice. We have the third eye, so intuition. Okay, again, it's about trusting their intuition. It could also be that they wanting to, they could be sending you telepathic messages as well. Okay, on how they feel. With this major arcana being here, the Tower and the Star, we have this, the energy of like the Scorpio water signs, and we have the Star, okay, representing the Aquarius energy. So perhaps there could be like an air sign, a water sign, and we have the Three of Wands representing fire signs. Okay, we have, or it could just be the energy that's significant at this time, you know, water, air, and fire. That's creating some like a bubbling pot. Bubbling. And look what's bubbling. Look what's bubbling. Again, keeping it clean and classy. We got the love, so you know, it's definitely bubbled the heart. bubble, the bubble, 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 the heart of baby. Now I don't know why, but it's kind of making me, it's bringing out the silliness out of me right this read. But it feels like this person is just like, wow, I'm feeling. It feels like again, it's like they're trying to process these feelings that they're having. Okay, we got the sacral chakra, well-being, so really connecting with these energies. It's like it feels like again it's processing these things. We saw the 10 of cups earlier, so we know deep down that is their intention with you. But again, everyone has free will, and and it could be someone from there's like a separation, and it could be what they want, so it could be their regrets. We have the throat chakra, willpower to express, to say how they feel. Okay, and we have the confidence again with the solar plexus, so power to feel, to know that they have that power to go out there and trust and believe themselves. And it feels like, again, look at the imagery, it's like someone's trying to build that strength to come towards you. Okay, yeah, to come towards you. The song that's coming through is Jodeci, Forever My Lady, Forever My Lady. Now I've been thinking I'm going to have a look and see how I can create like a playlist on Spotify for all of the different tunes, all the different types of songs that come through. So it's like a go-to where you can find the songs. Whether I can do it on Apple or Spotify, I will have a look. Okay. Ooh la la, but there's lots of messages here, collective. Let's see what messages want to come through in channeled messages. Let's see what channeled message wants to come through. They had the chance. Let's see what type of channeled messages they would want to say to you. What type of channeled messages? His exact thoughts and feelings. And we may leave this, come to a close with the read. His exact thoughts and feelings. What do they want you to know? What do they want you to know right now? What do they want you to know right now? What do they want you to know right now? Reveal the messages they want you to see right now. Come on, reveal those messages. Reveal those messages. That's it. Last shuffle. Last shuffle. Thank you. So, we got quite a few messages. Again, take what resonates and leave the rest. I hope you're enjoying the read as much as I am. There's a lot of juicy messages coming out here, boy. Oh, ooh la la. So we have here, I'm grateful for the lessons our relationship brings. Ooh la la. With your support, I'm becoming whole and complete. Our bond has taught me about forgiveness and letting go. You make me want to grow and mature every day. Your love encourages my personal growth. I'm learning to trust the process of life with you. I'm discovering new depths within myself through you. Your presence has taught me the true meaning of love. Our relationship is a path to mutual enlightenment. Again, that tower does also refer to like enlightenment, a spiritual awakening, a wake-up call, seeing things differently. It's kind of like a break from the comfort zone. That comfort zone is no longer comforting, baby. Ooh, you inspire me to nurture my inner light. My soul feels at peace with you. We saw that with that 10 of Cups. I'm learning the art of balance because of you. So there's a lot of growth and expansion energy, like literally. Okay, literally, okay? There was a like growth and expansion going on. Again, we're going to keep it clean and classy. Let your mind do pondering and wondering. But a lot going on. A lot going on. Okay. Ooh, another song coming through. Let's get it on. Oh, baby. Ooh, let's get it on. Ooh, again, leave you to do the pondering and wondering, but this is the energy that's coming through. Again, it's bubbling. We have the fire energy, the water energy, and the air energy. So you know what that does. And then you just mix it with a bit of earth energy. Woo, 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 woo. It's hot. It's hot. Ooh la la. Our connection brings clarity and purpose to my life. Your strength inspires me to face my fears. Look at this. It's yes, pushing them to build that courage and that fire in their belly to step up. Together we are strong. We are growing stronger and wiser. Ooh la la. And last but not least, we're going to leave you with a message from the key tags. So we're going to place it here. And what you can do with me is, you know, if you haven't already, come and join our Love and Light family. Okay. Click on that like button, subscribe, share, and please comment down below if it's a little high. Okay. Love to engage with you all. So we're going to do a little bit of channeling together. So you can come and channel with me. Okay. And we're just going to just focus on what messages they want to leave you with right now. His exact thoughts and feelings. What message do they want you to see right now? Okay, let's have a look. His exact thoughts and feelings. Ooh, we've got two that came out. Okay, we'll keep those. We'll take that. Okay. Just looking at the messages saying, look at the colors, because the green represents heart chakra. The red, root chakra. Okay, blue, throat chakra, and yellow, the solar plexus. So it feels like there's lots of energy, and we'll count this as solar plexus, sacral chakra, but it feels like there's a lot of messages that they want to let you know. So let's have a look. I miss your smile. I miss your smile. My intuition is telling me you know how I feel. Again, all those songs that were coming through and all this kind of vibrant energy. Oh my gosh. Will you accept my call? I can't wait to see you again. So someone is hoping. You know, look at this. Look. You turn me on. Look, didn't we see this fiery energy? Okay, it's like, oh my gosh. Oh my god. It feels like if this person's energy just switched around you, it's like, oh my god. What has happened here? Oh my gosh. You turn me on. You are the reason for my happiness. I value our connection. Your gaze has a way of melting my heart. Can we talk? Can we talk? Can we talk? Can we talk? Right, we're gonna take a quick sip. But we got a bit of Tevin Campbell coming in. He's got a lot of songs. It feels like this person listens to a lot of songs that resonates with how they feel about you, or it's like maybe things that reminds them of you, or maybe they may have been like a shared love of a particular genre, or it feels like this. They use song as a way to kind of connect with you, okay? Because we've got, can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. Can we talk for a minute? Ooh, wait. Someone's feeling you. Someone's feeling you. Ooh, someone's feeling you. Our connection is undeniable. Yeah, we're getting that energy. That energy is like, it's flowing. And with that three of wands showing up as well, ooh la la. There's a lot of like expansion energy coming through. It feels like the message that's coming through is like, I'm not maybe the best talker, but I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show it. Your presence is a ray of sunshine. Of sunshine. What a brilliant way to end this read. Collective, I've enjoyed this read. I enjoy all the reads at Gwan Tarantine, but this one was very entertaining and very fiery and very passionate, and I hope you enjoyed the read too. Okay, but we're gonna leave it here. Take the messages that resonate and just leave the rest. Okay, just leave the rest. Just leave the rest. Leave the rest. Okay. But I hope you've enjoyed the reading as much as I have. Okay. And if you feel drawn to have a look at pile 2 and pile 1, feel free to do so, okay? But just take what resonates and leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. I saw it go. I saw it go is Jamaican patois, and it simply means this is how it goes. I saw it go. So just take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? But be sure to look good, feel good, stay blessed, keep sipping, and we'll see you on the next one, okay? Ooh, yeah, I feel like, I feel like excited, okay? I feel excited for the collective, okay? If you do care to share, put it in the comments down below, and if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you in abundance. And we'll see you on the next one. Gwan.